Welcome back, Kryptonians, to the Chart Express continuing coverage of Bitcoin and the crypto charts. And we are facing a deluge of headlines from most of the major news outlets telling us that this market is going down. It's going down, apparently. Okay. Bitcoin faces setbacks and it's receiving a signal that has previously marked market peaks. Okay, is it any different on, for example, coin market cap? Bitcoin dropped to 23,000, more than possible. Okay, right. Well, all these experts, all these experts, and here we are telling you that the market is going to do exactly the opposite. Okay. And that's basically where we are at right now. Let's have a look at some others. If we can, Cointelegraph. What's Cointelegraph saying? Why is the Bitcoin price stuck? And anything else there? Let's have a look. Bitcoin futures hint at 22K as the next logical step. Well, who are we to disagree, hey? Well, we are disagreeing. And this is the reason why we are disagreeing, okay? Because we have this map here where we've clearly shown you that whales have been accumulating this market and they have manufactured this shakeout whereby they forced breakout traders to enter the market. Let's have a look. So by pushing price higher, they forced breakout traders to enter the market, and they also encouraged retail traders to enter the market by pushing price higher. They allowed both retail traders and breakout traders to accumulate positions, and then they added to their own position, okay, by forcing price lower than that 25K level, okay, that line, right? Again, they pushed price higher. They encouraged more breakout traders to enter the market above that high there. And then what did they do? They pushed price down and below this particular low on certain exchanges, adding to their positions. So to cut a long story short, let's illustrate it for you. And it all should become very, very clear what's happening. So whales added to their position here by taking price below that breakout level of 25,187, or roughly around that level, 25,183. Okay, so they added to their position and then they took price lower than that on certain exchanges in the recent price decline. They added to their position again. Okay, so basically they flushed both the fishes, these guys here, and the, should we say, sharks, who are predatory. They're looking for breakouts. They flushed them out as well by taking price below this particular low where a lot of their stops will have been. Okay, and so whales are the main players left in the market. Okay, it's very important that you know this. Okay, because I can't see anybody else pointing this out to you. It's all about moving averages, Bollinger Bands, and it could go up, could go down, and we don't know where the market's going and so on. But they're not showing you because they don't understand the story that's being played out here. Okay, the fish, the sharks, they are out of the market. Okay, big out, right? Who's in? These guys are always in. All right. So, well, when I say always, they're always in control. right? They're the billionaires. They run the market. Their orders are what matters. Okay, the market responds to their orders. Okay, right. So now that they are in, what's going to happen? Well, we know that they've added to their positions. Liquidity was run here. Liquidity was run here. Again, this is sell side liquidity. Everyone was selling to them, right? And this is the main question that everybody should be asking. If whales bought here, where do they want to sell? Right? It seems simple now, doesn't it? So whales have added to their positions and they've been accumulating all the way below 25k. Right? All of this is their territory as indicated by green, right? That green box indicates where they've added to their positions, right? And where do they want to sell? Well, they might have sold a little bit over here, but they're certainly not. If they are adding to their position again and again, even though price has gone into this territory here, it figures that their sell orders are at higher levels. Higher levels meaning we are expecting to see 29k fairly soon. Okay. Now, a lot of the time when a market is trending, when a trend has begun, the number of weeks of a correction usually are not more than 2 or 3. We've got 2 or 3 corrective candles here and a move to the upside, 2 or 3 corrective candles and a move to the upside, 2 or 3 corrective candles and a move to the upside, right? And this is a correction that has already started. So 1, 2, 3, that's 3 weeks where we've had a correction. This market is either going to break down or it's going to break up. Now, we're telling you that it's very unlikely that this market is going to go down, because where would it go down into? What's the point? When these fish, when these breakout traders are already out of the market, when the whales have already accumulated, they've added to their positions, they are the main players left in the market, it goes to figure that this market is very likely to move now to the upside, strongly to the upside. It should make sense to you now, right? Now, again, none of this is financial advice. We are simply trying to read the story of the chart. And the story of the chart is very clear in our eyes, right? So you can, if you want to read the story of the chart according to our thesis, then you will be happy to ignore all the FUD, all the so-called experts, all the so-called online metrics chains, and all the fundamental news, all those newspaper coverage that you're seeing out there. You will be, if you are in a position where you believe in this particular market, then none of what we've seen so far, as explained to you by us on the charts, should lead you to the conclusion that this market is going to go down. We do not expect this market to go down. We expect the market to move strongly higher for these reasons. Okay. Now, we can be wrong. Markets can do funny things. They can do the unexpected. But most of the time, when you're able to read the story as it unfolds, then you should have a fairly clear picture of where this market is likely to be headed. I hope this has been helpful to you. If it has, please give the video a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, support us on Patreon. That's patreon.com/chart experts. Hey, this is Asim at the Chart Experts, wishing you every success. I hope the story is clear to you now. Take care of yourself and your crypto, and you can sleep soundly. You can sleep soundly after the bedtime story that you wanted to hear. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.